Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the course on systematic approach to data structures using C. First, let me see how to construct a tree given its preorder and inorder traversals. What preorder says? Visit the node, then recursively traverse left subtree, then recursively traverse right subtree in preorder. What inorder says? First, recursively traverse left subtree, visit the node, and then recursively traverse the right subtree in inorder. So, given this as the preorder, given this as the inorder, now let us see how to construct a binary tree. So, to construct, look at this. We are visiting the node for the first time. That means A will be the root node. So here I will write A as the root node in the binary tree. Now the question is, what comes towards left of A, what comes towards right of A? That is decided by the inorder. In the inorder traversal, tell me where is this A? A is here. It means whatever nodes are there towards left of A, they becomes the left subtree here. And whatever there towards right of A, those nodes become the right subtree. So in the preorder, we have B, D, E, H, and here in the preorder, we have C, F, I, G. Now coming to the left side, what is the first root node here? B will be the root node. To see what is there towards left, what is there towards right, look at the inorder traversal of this node B. Here node B is there. So towards left of B, what we have? D. So D comes towards left side. And towards right of B, what we have? H and E is there. So that will be the right subtree. So E and H will be the preorder. Now in this, which is the root node? What is the first root node here? E is the root node. So that E will be the root node here. To see what is there towards left of E, what is there towards right of E, look at the inorder traversal of inorder traversal. Look at the inorder traversal. Where is E here? E is here. So towards left of E, what you have? H. Towards right of E, what you have? Nothing. So don't write anything here. Now coming back here, which is the first node in the preorder? C. That becomes the root node here. After writing C, what should come towards left, what should come towards right? That is decided by the inorder traversal. Where is C in the inorder traversal? Here. So whatever is there towards left of C, what is that? F and I will be the our left subtree. So F and I here in the preorder also if it is F and I. Next, what is there towards right of C? G is there. So write G as the right child of C. Now coming here, what is the first node in the preorder? F, that will be the root node. To see what is there towards left hand side, what is there towards right hand side, look at the inorder traversal. Towards left of F, nothing is there. Towards right of F, what we have? I is there. So I will be the right child for F. So we have completed. Now remove these null branches. So this will be the complete binary tree for the corresponding preorder traversal and inorder traversal. They may ask, what is the post-order traversal for a given preorder and inorder traversal? In such case, first construct a binary tree and then traverse in post-order. For easy traversing, insert the null branches like this. Start from here. First time. This is second time, third time. Whenever you are visiting the node for the third time, write in the post order. Second time, first time, second time, third time we are visiting. So write H in the post order. Second time, third time I am visiting. So write E in the post order. Third time I am visiting B, write in the post order. Second time I am visiting, first time, second time, first time, second time, third time I am visiting I. So write I in the post order. Third time I am visiting F. So write in the post order. Second time, first time, second time, third time I am visiting, write in the post order. Third time I am visiting, write in the post order. Third time I am visiting A, write in the post order. Now this is the corresponding post order for this pre-order and in-order traversal. I hope you understood how to construct a tree and how to get the post order given pre-order and in-order traversal. Let me explain with another example. How to construct a tree given its pre-order and in-order traversal. Assume this is the pre-order traversal and this is the in-order traversal. In pre-order, always root comes first. So A will be the root node. To see what is there towards left hand side, what is there towards right hand side, look at the in-order traversal where A is present. A is present here. Nothing is there towards right of A, so don't write anything here. So to the left of A, all these nodes I am going to write here and they become the left subtree. Next, in the left subtree, start from the pre-order. So what is the first node here? B. B becomes the root for the left subtree. To see what is there towards left hand side, what is there towards right hand side, look at the in-order traversal where B is present. B is present here. So KLEF comes towards left subtree. So write KLEF here. And what is the corresponding pre-order? EKLF. And this node onwards, GCMHIJD, they comes to the right side. So corresponding pre-order start from CJ. Now come towards left hand side. What should be the root? E should be the root. So write E here. To see what is there towards left of E, what is there towards right of E, look at the in-order traversal where E is present. KL comes towards left of E, so KL should come towards left subtree. So what is the corresponding pre-order? K and L. What about towards right of E? F is there towards right of E. Now, what should be the root node here? What should be the root node towards the left subtree? What is the first one we have? K. K will be the root node. To see what is left, what is right of K, look at the in-order traversal. Nothing is there towards left of K, so don't write anything here. L comes towards right of K, write L here. Coming back to this, now tell me which is the root node here. C is the root node, so write C here. To see what is left and what is right of C, look at your in-order traversal where C is present. Towards left of C, what you have? G, so write G on the left side. And what is there towards right of C? MHIJD, so what is the corresponding pre-order? GDHMIJ. Now, what should I write here? A root node. Which is the root node for this left subtree? D is the root node for this left subtree. And to see what is left, what is right, look at D in the in-order traversal. All these nodes MHIJ come towards left side. So what is the corresponding pre-order? HMIJ. Now, what should be the root here? H should be the root. To see what is left of H, what is right of H, look at the in-order traversal. M come towards left of H, so M should be the left child of H. I and J should be the right children for this. So what is the corresponding pre-order? I and J. So what should be the root here? So look at the pre-order traversal. I will be the root here. To see what is left of I, to see what is right of I, look at the in-order traversal. Nothing is there towards left of I, so don't write anything here. Towards right of I, what we have? J, so J will be the right child for I. That's all are over. Now remove the empty branches. These are all empty branches, you remove them. Now this will be the resulting tree for this pre-order traversal and for this in-order traversal. Now let us see what is the post-order traversal for this given pre-order and in-order traversal. So what you do, first construct a tree, then traverse this tree in post-order. Introduce null branches for easy traversing. First time, second time, first time, second time. I'm visiting L for the third time, so write L here. Third time is K is visited, so write K here. Second time, first time, second time, third time F is visited, right here. Third time E is visited, right here. Go here, second time, first time, second time, third time, so write G here. Second time, first time, second time, third time I am visiting M, so write M here. H is visited second time, first time, second time, second time, third time J is visited, write J here. I is visited for the third time, write I here. H is visited for the third time, write H here. And D is visited second time, D is visited third time, write D here. C is visited third time, write C here. B is visited third time, write B here. A is visited second time, now A is visited third time, write A here. Now this is the post order for the given pre-order and in order. Now we know how to construct a tree and how to get post-order traversal for a given in-order and pre-order traversal. In the next topic, let us see how to construct a tree given post-order and in-order traversal. Thank you very much.